front of me is nothing phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and click on Notifications after scrolling down a tiny bit. Now select App Notifications, and before doing anything, hit Most Recent at the top. Most people forget that you can sort your apps to see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps you have on your Nothing phone, or apps with notifications already disabled. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, click on Chosen option and use black switches next to your apps to block notifications from them. You can turn them back on by hitting the same now gray ones. Quick tip, you can also click on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. You can also block them thanks to this switcher next to all notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!